Check, check. Checking on you, Andy. Here we go. Friends and neighbors, this is your good buddy Matt here to talk to you about a serious problem we have in Florida's woodlands. It's taking over the properties by storm. It's popcorn trees. Popcorn trees are a useless tree that take over planted pine forest, and they use up valuable nutrients out of the dirt that the profitable pine tree could be using. And what they generally do is try to slap the side of your tractor and poke out your windows as you're clearing up to replant these valuable pine trees. Now, they also are known to grow in the middle of the road on each side of the bed. And that causes serious problems when you're on a bulldozer trying to clean all this up, because you're constantly going bam, bam, bam! Because it's a regular stump-a-palooza out here anyway. It's pretty much a good time. So, if you see one, do us all a favor. Cut it down and pull it up by the root, because it runs another root about this far over to the left of it and grows another tree, and wash, rinse, and repeat, does it all over again. So, that's your good deal. I don't thoughts on that. Anyway, that's pretty dumb, Andy, so let's talk about something else. Cut!